Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to haul on Pandabuy. So the first step is to go to Pandabuy, or you can use their own app, and then of course you'll have to search for your products. So you can search for anything here. Basically you'll find anything you think of, you'll find here on Pandabuy. And then what you'll have to do in order to do on haul, you'll have to simply buy a lot of products. So you'll have to go on and choose different products, different types of products, and you'll have to simply click on add to cart first of all, of course, and then you'll have to simply buy them. So I'm gonna choose some uh, Christmas gifts here, and as you can see, the prices are very low. So you'll have to choose here the product and then click on add to cart. So as you can see, some of them are they don't have a return, so you can return them. So let's choose more products. I'm gonna go with this one here, and I'm gonna choose this color. The quantity, I'm gonna go with 2, and then click on add to cart. And then after you choose like 10 products or more, you'll have to simply click on the cart here and then click on cart checkout, and then here you'll have to simply click on select all of them, and then click on submit, and then you'll have to pay for them, and that's all. This is how you can do a haul on Pandabuy. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.